All right, here we go. We're on to flooring installation. Aside from the fact that even after leveling the floors, we still have wavy floor. But apparently it's supposed to be wavy. It straightens itself out. So the dads are back to YouTube research. So we just thought we'd take a few minutes to have some fun in here. What do you think? I think it's going to be wonderful. Mom likes walking on this stuff. It's nice and soft. Yeah. Dust-free so far anyways. Nothing quite like freshly poured concrete to keep a mom happy. You can't go out, it's raining. We just had this conversation. Yeah, no. Raining. So anyways, stay tuned. I guess we will call this day 1 of installation. Because Mom doesn't track how many days it's been. Yeah. So there's the one view, the second view, the Brodie pose complete with the tail. Oh, tail up. Good boy. Here we have the third angle view. And the back corner. Okay, so I think we're almost done with the YouTube research. It sounds like the dads are on their way back, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah. No, I do not want you just flying by with your teeth open. No. Do not eat my ankles. I know, you're a bored puppy. You've done really, really well. Life hasn't been that exciting in the last few days. But you got other stuff to do, right? Let's go find something else to do. Okay, good dogs. No flybys. No flybys. No flybys.